Hello guys, how's it going? My name is Rodolfo Moreira, and today I will teach for you how you can develop your Petshop Copilot using agents of artificial intelligence for you and your customers of this fictionary pet shop receives recommendations from the specialists. For do that, we use a data set with a lot of recommendations using the star recommendation, the community recommendation, and the product description. We also will bring the price and the product category, the product name to emulate a real scenario from a company. And also you will learn how to use the LangChain framework to do that, how you will use the agents, how you can construct this kind of an application to be able to generate specialized agents between the subjects that you would like here in this application. We also will learning how we can work with the vector star as a way to construct the vector star outside of all the application here. So to receive recommendations like that, recommend the best toys for baby baby dogs. So let's find that answer here. Let me open the prompt here. I guess this will be the prompt here. Will be your agents working to receive in the fast way, because we have some kind of situations to use the agents and work as a long data set. So this technical to separate the vector star to save it as a local the index from this vector star, and after that load these vector stars will be a great strategy to get a fast answer here. This is a challenge that we have working as agents, because and nowadays when you develop an application use artificial intelligence, it's so good they get the real answer for the business questions or anything like that. But how fast this kind of answer can bring inside an application is a challenge that we have today. Also, I will try to help you guys with the cost that we will have and find the best strategy to economize some callers from the API. In this case, we will use the ChatGPT. But for any artificial intelligence that you need to try, but I will try to share some strategies that we can do here. And I guess is all these things. So this kind of application is RAG, retrieval-augmented generation. So we use a specialized data set to do that. And this is it. If you like this video, if you're excited of this tutorial, please follow me in this YouTube channel and follow the next video with the start of this tutorial. Goodbye.